So I'm in the studio today to talk about this exciting KRUPS evidence-connected coffee machine. Your morning routine will get that much easier thanks to this clever device. There's 15 presets which give you the exact drink that you want with just one touch, including espresso, cappuccino and even tea. The OLED display is really simple to use and it's easy to understand. Now to make your drink, you just need to put your mug down and select which drink you want. I'm going to have a cappuccino. Now, you also have the option to add an extra shot or make a darker drink if you're a lover of richer flavour. As you can see, it pulls the milk from the cylinder, and the great thing about having the milk stored on the outside is that you can store it in the fridge when the machine's not in use. It has a premium design and it's fully automated, requiring you to do as little as possible. Frothed milk will be added into your drink, creating creamy coffees that even professional baristas would be proud of. Now, a unique feature of this coffee machine is that you can make 2 coffees at once, which is perfect for when your family and friends are over. This option is also great for couples too, as you can make both of your drinks at the same time. All you need to do is double tap your drink selection. And you've also got the ability to adjust the temperature of your coffee and tea. You can even connect it to your smartphone, and using the KRUPS Espresso app, you can personalise your drinks by adjusting the coffee and the milk ratios. The app will also tell you when the machine needs to be cleaned, which is super handy and great for keeping on top of your cleaning schedule. And if you'd like to know more about the KRUPS Evidence Connected Coffee Machine, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.